More details tonight as a federal judge rules executions can continue here in Oklahoma. This stems from a lawsuit involving more than 24 inmates, challenging whether Oklahoma's 3-drug lethal injection cocktail is legal, specifically when it comes to the drug midazolam. News 4's Austin Brissett picks up the story from there. Austin.
Well, Lauren, among other claims, more than 25 death row inmates argued the 3-drug cocktail does not prevent extreme pain during execution, but the judge ruling in favor of the state, saying the drugs cause inmates to go unconscious and unable to feel pain.
So we see this ruling as just kind of one in a line of cases where there have been challenges to the way that states execute people.
Though Oklahoma may not be the only one with legal challenges to its death penalty process, Deputy Director for the Death Penalty Information Center in Washington, D.C., and Guzzi and Duluway saying they have kept their eye on the Sooner State.
So what we're seeing is that Oklahoma has a pretty difficult history with their executions.
With that, a federal judge ruling Monday Oklahoma's execution protocol and 3-drug cocktail is legal, saying, quote, the plaintiff inmates have fallen well short of clearing the bar set by the Supreme Court. The claims made during trial earlier this year argued the cocktail didn't prevent extreme pain during execution and should be considered cruel and unusual punishment, citing issues in multiple state executions.
We've seen pretty extreme examples here in Oklahoma.
Oklahoma Attorney General John O'Connor reacting to the news in a statement, saying families who lost a loved one to murder, quote, moved one step closer to justice after the ruling, and that the state proved the method of executions, quote, satisfy the United States and Oklahoma constitutions. But plaintiffs' attorneys in the ACLU not satisfied. Attorney Jennifer Moreno saying the court ignored, quote, overwhelming evidence presented at trial that the protocol, quote, creates an unacceptable risk to prisoners. The ACLU adding, quote, our state has gone through the process of killing its citizens with catastrophic failure and will no doubt once again witness more botched executions.
And I think we're going to continue to see litigation about it because there's issues continue.
Well, Moreno says they are looking at options for an appeal. Meanwhile, the Department of Corrections issued a statement on the ruling, reading, quote, the Oklahoma Department of Corrections is prepared to carry out the orders of the court in accordance with state statute. More statements can be read on our website.